In this week's Higher Ed Highlights, Chancellor Gardner spent Monday of this week in Hancock County learning about the region's collaborative workforce efforts before visiting the Findlay Digital Academy, Findlay High School, and an advanced manufacturing program at Owens Community College. The day began at the University of Findlay, where Chancellor Gardner took part in the first ever Hancock County Educational Collaborative Forum. He provided remarks and sat on a panel with representatives from the Findlay City Schools, Findlay Digital Academy, Hancock County Educational Service Center, and Owens Community College, along with University of Findlay President Dr. Catherine Fell and the director of Raise the Bar Hancock County, a workforce development partnership focused on aligning the learning system with the needs of the business community. From there, he met with a smaller group of community leaders before joining Findlay City Schools Superintendent Ed Kurt for a visit to the Findlay Digital Academy, a dropout prevention e-school for students in grades 9 through 12. The school enrolls students from 15 area school districts and has a current enrollment of more than 160 students. Chancellor Gardner's visit included meeting the Digital Academy's newest graduate, Jonathan Ramirez. The day continued with brief remarks at the meeting of the Findlay Rotary Club before the Chancellor joined Superintendent Kurt at Findlay High School, where he met with a group of student leaders for an informal discussion and Q&A session. The Chancellor's visit to the region concluded with an overview of the Federation for Advanced Manufacturing Education, or FAME, program at Owens Community College. The program blends classroom instruction with on-site work experience with sponsoring companies, which pay a portion of the students' tuition and fees at Owens. The Chancellor learned more by talking with students in the Owens Welding Lab about their experiences. Look for Higher Ed Highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed, and check out our website at ohiohighered.org. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for another round of Higher Ed Highlights.